This is our Millsboro Quilted bedding from Primitive Star Quilt Shop. I'm Jackie, and I just wanted you to see today how you could have a really simple look at your headboard with just a few products. 2 of the king shams, the pillowcases, Millsboro pillowcases, and then just a couple throw pillows. You could even just do one if that's what you like. Millsboro is our log cabin pattern with burgundy and navy. The curtains and bed skirt that go with this are this tan plaid with the burgundy and navy in it. Just wanted to let you see Millsboro up close. As we zoom in here and take a look at this log cabin pattern more closely, we've got a couple of blue plaids, one that's a larger pattern and a smaller, a couple of burgundy plaids, again a larger one and a smaller one that looks a little bit darker, and then the khaki one with burgundy and navy. We've got a couple of prints. We've got this burgundy one with dots and the little starlight, as well as this one here that's tan with some navy in it. And then there's a solid 2 in the center of each of the log cabin patterns. So that is our Millsboro.